Good afternoon, Internet. I'm here at Bukit Jalil, only this time I'm not here for a swimming meet. I'm here to check out the Ramadan Bazaar, or I should say Bazaar, not Bazaar. Anyway, these are usually held every year during Ramadan, so everyone can get ready for the biggest holiday in Malaysia called Hari Raya. So we'll be checking out these bazaars that sell everything from food, snacks, clothing, electronics, you name it. We're going to see everything in this video. So stay tuned. And look who I found, just wandering around. Mr. Firdaus, Mr. Naeem, and apa nama? Fikri. I've lived here for 5 years now, and I still have no idea what they're called.
They call it simple kasi.
Simple kasi.
Simple
Kasi.
kasi.
Direct translation is love twist, love tie, something like that.
Love ties.
Love knot.
Ah.
Love knot. Yeah.
This is clothing section.
Ini bayar saya.
This one oh, this one 15 ringgit. Ay, mana bayar?
Ya, dah haji dulu, saya ambil dulu.
Ya.
Berapa?
Kelapa, per cake 15, this one.
15.
Yes. Oh. Ini sorry you.
Asian.
I'm trying out some Sarawak laksa. Sarawak is a Malaysian state that is in Borneo.
Sorry to interrupt.
Hey,
I miss you.
It's Mr. Nabil, our Zul Arafin lookalike.
So, is it your fasting today?
Very nice.
Very nice. Our brand has no preservative and has no MSG.
Oh, your brand. What is it? What makes it the brand? What do you do?
Artesian taste.
The taste.
Yeah.
How do you sell this? Nabil, how are you? Starting my company. These are some things I did not expect to find here. I'm not exactly sure what these are called, but one of the swimmers I used to coach referred to these as big bouncy things. This is traditional clothing, it looks like for men. This is what a Malay man will wear. Usually long sleeves, long trousers, and I'm not sure what that sarong-like thing is called. I don't think it's called a sarong if a man wears it. It's called something else. We also have furniture here. There's even a petting zoo here. Oh, sort of. This is what a Muslim woman, or I should say a Malay woman, would wear. Here we are in the sports section. And of course there's an eating section. It would not be a Malay festival if there wasn't some kind of food involved. Selamat Patang. I came over here to the eating section for the Ramadan Bazaar, and I ran into Comrade Bella again and Puan Normala, two former work colleagues. You guys remember Bella from our epic TD Wangsa to KL Central monorail walk. So check it out if you haven't seen it. Apa itu? Ikan? This is what I came looking for. Roti John Kampung Baru. This is like pizza on a bun. It's hard to describe exactly what this is, but it tastes great. So I'm gonna have one for dinner. This is how they make a drink called sugar cane juice. It's actual sugar cane. It got squirted with it. Got some fried goreng, mie goreng.
Ya.
Dan
Pandai cakap
apa?
Pandai cakap Melayu
Oh,
Mie goreng?
sikit saja.
Sikit saja.
This looks like Western.
Berapa isi dalam dia? 56. 56. Kongkol tidak tak? Ya. Berapa yang? 28, 56.
This looks like goulash.
Itu je boleh perasaan dia dah. Sebab tu pakai
Okay, that's the Ramadan Bazaar at Bukit Jalil. And maybe before the month of Ramadan is over, I'll get the chance to check out another one in downtown Kuala Lumpur, but I'm not really sure about that one yet. Anyway, thanks for watching.